Hello my friends, we've got some new products that just hit our website and I am excited to tell you all about them. Now today we're going to start off with the Tusk First Line air filters. Now we've had these out for a long time, but we've got some new filters for some specific machines. So let's get into these. First, we've got this filter right here, which is for the 2025 and newer Ibex 450s. We've got this filter for the DRZ 4S models, 25 and newer. And then we've got this one for the Himalayan 450s from 24 and newer. Now an air filter is a super important thing to make sure your machine is breathing in clean air. And these Tusk filters, we've put tons of testing time into them to make sure that your engine is going to last as long as possible, all the while keeping your machine breathing those big gulps of air for maximum performance. Our next item comes from Tusk as well, and this is our Tusk soft luggage racks for the KTM 390 Enduro and Adventure models. Now these I really like because we make them right here in our warehouse in Utah. These are laser cut out of aluminum, powder coated black to make sure that they last a long time. But the big thing here is this gives you lots of locations to mount up your soft luggage onto your bike, but it also protects your expensive body panels to make sure your bike is looking new for the whole time that you've got it. These things are awesome for holding on soft luggage. Now next we have the ODI Universal Micro X half waffle grips. Now these things are awesome because these are going to work on those micro handlebars from Mica, from Pro Taper, as well as on your stock Cobra handlebars. And these are going to give you the lock-on grip on your left side, but then have a glue-on grip on your throttle side. This is going to make it so that you can use any throttle tube that you want, but still get that twist-free performance on your left-hand side. I've been running ODI lock-on grips for a long time. I really like these grips, the way they feel and the size of them. This is going to be perfect for your 50 racers. Now the next item that we've got is from Mr. Wolf. These are the Lunar 2.0 Moose Balls. These we now have in sizes for your 125 two-strokes, your 100-118 tire, 190-19 tire, as well as for 85s with the 14-inch wheel. These are awesome. This is going to make it so that you don't run into flats out on your ride, but then you can also still fine-tune the way your tire feels by running more or less of these in your tire. We've got a video spotlight on these where we talked about these more in depth, but these are a winning product. You're going to want to check these out. Our next item's from Acerbis. We've got some full plastic kits that just got added onto our website. This one in front of me is actually for the 25 and 26 Husqvarna TE and FE models. This is in the original 2026 colorway, so you've got the husky blue and then the white where it needs to be. But Acerbis does a great job of making it so that when it comes time to replacing your plastics and freshening up your bike, they give you exactly what you need. We're constantly adding new products onto our website from Acerbis. So click on the link below. Be sure to put in your year, make, and model of machine to see what options we've got when it comes to freshening up your bike. Now last week we talked about some new colorways from Alpine Stars. Now this week we've got a new one from KTM with their Alpine Stars helmet. This is the M10 carbon fiber helmet with the KTM livery. This thing looks absolutely amazing. I love the way this helmet looks. Now I will tell you, we also added a bunch more casual and performance wear from KTM and Husqvarna that you're also going to want to check out. Now the last item that I've got for you today is from 6D. This is their Halo skull cap. Now this was built with the specific purpose of keeping your sweat from out of your eyes and away from the inside of your goggle lens. Now we've all had it when you're mid-moto or on a long hot trail ride, you hit a bump and sweat splatters all over the inside of your goggle lens. It's the worst. Let alone that, it can also run down into your eyes, leaving you with some burning red eyes. It all breaks your focus. Now this cap has a silicone bead on the inside of it that helps channel that sweat away from your eyes and away from your forehead and put it behind your ears. This skull cap is going to do an awesome job to make sure that you can focus on the trail ride ahead instead of on your burning eyes. Now that does it for all the exciting products that we've got added to our website for this week. We do this video weekly, so you're going to want to subscribe so you can keep up to date on what we've added to our site. As always, if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent. Thanks so much for watching.